So today we're looking at this Carttiya toiletries bag that the team have very kindly sent to me to take a look at. The first thing I've noticed straight off the bat is the size of it is a really good size. It's also really thick quality. It's kind of like a leatherette kind of plastic, which just feels really nice. It's got a really nice texture to it, and it's just a really good convenient size. Let's turn it around and take a look at it a little bit closer, just so we can take a look at the different compartments there are. Let's take a look at this really pretty travel bag that the Carttiya team sent through to me. So it is this lovely peach colour. It's very nice, and the grey is the nice contrasting colour there with the peach on the trim. It's a very pretty colourway. You've got the emblem there, and that is like in a gold, a slightly rose gold. Very nice. And on the outside here you can see you've got your 3 compartments. Now we're going to attempt to fill these up as much as we can, just so we can see how much this can take. It has, one of the things that really struck out to me, which sounds strange, is the zips. Now the zips, I don't know if you can see, have got like grippers on them. So if you were just moisturised, or you've come from the beach, or you've got your sunscreen on, and you've got, you know, mucky hands, you can grip these really easily without your finger slipping, which I think is a really nice touch that they've made with the design. And on the end there, you've got this really helpful pull tab, so you can obviously pull it in and out of your shelves and your drawers. But also, if you want to hang it up, if say for example you are going to the gym and you don't want your bag to be sitting on the floor, you could hang it up on one of the hooks so it's not resting on the floor, and you can just unzip the compartments while it's standing upright instead, rather than having it laying down, which is a nice touch. And just this grey contrast is really nice with this peach. So let's take a look at these 3 sections. Now the section at the front, this zip moves really nicely, by the way, it's very smooth zip, is the waterproof section. So for example, you've got something you're a bit concerned, maybe a leaker, you can pop it in there. Maybe your half bottle of shampoo, you're a bit concerned, you've opened some lotion and you know you're a bit worried it's going to go everywhere. It is this very nice smooth padded there. You can tell it's going to be wiped clean, so that's that first section there. It's very helpful to have a waterproof section. And then you've got your middle section, which is the biggest, and as you can see it is very large. You've got your very wide base there, you can see how big that is, and then you've got your 2 inner pockets there, which are perfect for things like tissues or your makeup. And on that side there you've got this clear screen, which I'll show you in a moment, which again is going to be easy to keep nice and clean. And with the final section, which is the most exciting in my opinion, is the section which is really ideal for makeup. So as you can see, this is where the clear section comes into play. You've got these sections here, and you can put your makeup, your toothbrush, that kind of thing in there. And when you've got it open sitting on your counter, you can see what's inside. So if you just want to have it open like this on your counter, so you're in a hotel, you want to see what's inside but not actually take it out, you can actually just see. So let's fill this up and see how much we can get in here. All right, so we've got our deodorant, let's put that in there. We've got some nice perfume as well. We've got our toothpaste. Now I'm going to put the toothpaste in the waterproof section just in case it leaks. I've got some hair oils there, and I've got some of those tissues. Let's put those in there. I've got some, yeah, I'm still going. I was putting some moisturiser in there. I've got a little bit of makeup there and there. Let's put that in there. As you can see it through there. We've got some brushes and things here. So let's use these here to keep them all nice and tidy. Got a mascara there, so that fits in really nicely. A couple of pencils. Let's put those in there. And you can still use all the rest of this space here for the rest of your makeup. So I've got a palette. It's still going. So much space in here. So there you've got that there, and I've also got my hairbrush. Let's tuck that in there for good measure, and let's zip that up there. So all zipped up there, you can see what is on your counter with that one there. And let's just close this up so that this is all tucked in, nice and easy. Look at that, absolutely. And there's still plenty of space left in there, I promise you. Absolutely tons of space. Look, there you go. So you could definitely get probably your straighteners in there as well, or even your hairdryer as well. I think it's got plenty of room in there. So yes, that is a very nice high capacity travel bag, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Thank you so much for sending it through to me. It's absolutely awesome. I look forward to using it on my travels, and absolutely I really do recommend it. It's a really sturdy, nice, high quality, water resistant bag, and I think it's really ace.